Hi everyone, this is MJX Hyper Go, and this is what happened to it. Differential looks pretty healthy, but it somehow split into two parts, which is really unusual. In much cheaper cars, you usually see stripped gears, but I've never seen a differential just split like this. It feels like some part wasn't actually made of metal, and it either melted or just crumbled apart. It looks like I won't be able to fix it, so the only option is to order a new part. But I don't want to run into the same issue again. So if you have had a similar problem and found a stronger replacement, please leave a link in the comments. In the meantime, I'm going to look for this part on AliExpress. I'll make a video showing how to put it back together once it arrives, so make sure to subscribe. See you.